headed to one of the best views in Southern California from what I'm hearing. I saw this video from the vegan cyclist. I'm a big fan, vegan cyclist. So you rode to Keller's Peak and I was like, where is that? Right? So now here I am following your footsteps.
This beautiful 44-mile ride starts at Big Bear Lake Village. Once you hit the dam, you will climb up to the State Route 18 highway till you hit the Lookout viewpoint. You will love this 5-mile downhill. Just be careful when you make a quick turn to Keller's Peak Road. It's a 6% climb, 1,900 feet gain, 6 miles.
So we're about 16 miles in. 16 miles in, about 1,000 feet of elevation gain. There's definitely a lot of traffic. We are riding on a Sunday, so a lot of cars are pretty much coming back home. So it's now time to climb. How many miles? It's just right there?
It just turns like this.
Uh-huh.
A road that goes that way. They're up there.
Up there?
Up there.
Up there. Can't talk anymore.
Yeah, that's...
Gonzo's getting lightheaded from this elevation gain. Okay, so we are entering Keller's Peak Road, and from what I hear, it's about a 6-mile climb, average 8 to 10% on some parts. Should be worth it, should be worth it. How's the breathing, Gonzo? We're high up there.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
He got that hell of a thick jacket.
I think I'll dump it somewhere.
In hot weather, man.
I'll dump it around here somewhere if it gets too hot.
Woo-wee! Guys, the road to Keller's Peak is closed to cars. So, we got the road to ourselves. Woohoo! Yup, yup! So Gonzo's gonna try to hide his jacket.
I'm gonna ask them if they could carry it from me.
So here we are, getting ready for our 6-mile trek up.
6%.
I thought it was 10.
So far.
So far.
26.
All right, here we go. We got less than 2 miles to go. We're starting to see a lot more rocks. There's Gonzo. Do we go right or left?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
We're going right. Because Keller Peak says 1.5 miles.
Almost at 7,000 feet again.
That's where we're headed. I need to stop because my heart rate is too high. I'm about half a mile left to the top, but the last mile has been 10%. Mile and a half, about 10%. So I need to take a break. My heart rate is too high. Oh yeah. We're here. Woo. Radio tower. That's the watchtower. And that's the radio tower. So we made it to the top of Keller's Peak. It's a little over 7,000 feet of elevation. I'm just kind of bummed that you could see a lot of the fog, or what do you call it? The smoke from the fires. And if you guys are planning to come up here, guys, there's the watchtower. Unfortunately, because of COVID, they're not allowing anybody to go up there. So try maybe 2021 to see if you can go back up there. But right now, as of now, they're not allowing anybody up there. But it's okay.
Is that awesome or what?
Holy moly.
I bet you can see Catalina Island on a clear day.
Oh, yeah, you can. Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
That's not onyx down there?
No, onyx would be up there, one of these.
Oh my gosh.
Or San Gregorio or something.
Amazing. You see it? Woo! We found Gonzo's jacket.
Look, somebody went through it.
Really?
Yeah. I had it bundled up. Hold my bike, please. Somebody went through it.
No way.
Yeah.
They probably thought, hey, it doesn't fit me.
Yeah, they probably people are trying it out. Yeah, they went through it.
No.
It was in a bundle. Shake the ticks off.
You're still gonna wear it? It's hot.
I have to wear it.
Why? Just put it around your waist.
It's probably stuck in the tire.
Oh.
It's all sweaty still.
Still got his jacket, y'all.
See, that's the way to do it. I should have put for rent.
You should have said it has COVID.
COVID jacket.
So we made it to our rest stop after Keller's Peak. Now we're headed back home, but it's gonna be a little tricky because, as you can see, it's very busy, this road. So the road's gonna be really sketchy going back. We got maybe 6-7 miles, 2,000 feet of climbing through this traffic, and the shoulders are not as wide. So let's see how this thing goes, but we gotta do a rest stop. I need to eat. It was an epic climb up Keller's Peak. Pretty epic. I love it. Pretty much almost done. I want to catch you guys. If you like this video and want to know more, please subscribe to the channel, Cycling CEO channel, and don't forget to press that notification button as well. Right, Gonzo?
Yes.
Whoop whoop!
Bye,
Oh
everybody.
shit! Freaking squirrel! Did you see that squirrel?
Yeah.
I was about to run it over.
I stood there waiting for you.
Yeah! Great. I was like, what the hell, man? 2 cars about to run us over and a squirrel.
Yeah. I just saw it start. I go, is that a squirrel?
Yeah.
It's in the middle of the road and waiting for you.
Yeah, I was like, oh heck no.
Yeah. Yeah, if you would have kept going, if you wouldn't have slowed down, he would have went in front of you. You would have ran it over, flipped over, and then I would have flipped over, and I would have struck.
That would have been bad.